What's going on? Hello? All right, we're good. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm going to send this to Discord real quick. I'm just gonna open up. Oh shoot! I totally forgot. Open up VirtualBox. Let me. Oh shoot! It logged me out of Discord. I low-key don't know my password. Oh no! All right, we got to create a new Arch Linux um, virtual machine. So let's do that real quick. What's up, Cyber Trojan? How we doing today? I'm pretty sure this Arch install. Or I think I installed this Arch Linux system a while ago. Sorry, guys. I'm all over the place today. Install medium. What's up, Snoopy Knight? All right, so guys, tell me if this is stupid, but I wanted you guys to tell me if you like this kind of series that I'm doing. You said why Windows? Okay, so there's this whole big thing, right? I had it on my home system, or I had it on my other system, and then it got destroyed because of water damage. So then I was out of computer, and then one of my buddies gifted me a ThinkPad, right? I got the ThinkPad, and it had Windows on it, and I didn't really feel like installing Arch Linux on hardware because I want to play games with it, and I also want to edit videos and stuff like that. DaVinci it just doesn't work on Linux. I've tried building it from source a lot of times, and it hasn't worked yet. So that's kind of why. And also with OBS, it doesn't have the filters for the audio. So I figured it was just too much to do it. You think VMware better than VBox? I never use VMware. Just want your inputs. I've actually never used VMware. VirtualBox and QEMU are the only virtualization software that I've used at all. I actually love QEMU. QEMU is awesome. Uh, why is it doing this? All right, you know what? Whatever. We're gonna install scar changes. Whatever. But no, QEMU is my favorite. It's like kind of like a command line tool, but a it does have a what do you call it? Like a organizer for the VMs. I personally love it, especially if I'm on like a Linux system. Windows though, I probably got to go with I probably just got to go with um oh my god, dude. I can't even like think right now. I just did like 3 hours of homework, so I'm sorry guys if I'm a little bit like out of it or groggy, but we're going to get this we're going to get this done cuz I'm tired of it. I'm tired of having this like uh mirrors. I don't want to buy stuff. United States. Um, should I get it from? Colonial. Why not? Let's get the ISO. Somebody type it in chat. I'm sorry, I'm not reading chat. Hell yeah, I'm back. I've never heard of Kimu. Kimu? What the fuck? Kimu. It's yeah, QEMU. It's command line on Linux. Um it's also great for virtualization, and also they have some tools that you could use to write disks and format them how you like. So that's always pretty awesome. What what else is so there's VMware, there's VirtualBox sucks on Linux, and I mean it even kind of sucks on Windows, but I mean I use it. What do you guys think? Okay, I made I made a video. I wanted you guys to tell me what you guys thought. If you guys thought it was a good idea or not. Um I'll kind of show you guys real quick. Um Content. This one. Tell me if it's stupid. I don't know if it's stupid or not. Can you guys hear it? Desktop audio. Crank that bitch up. Problems. How the series is kind of gonna work is I'm gonna go. Hello everybody. My new series where I speed run LeetCode problems. How the series is kind of gonna work is I'm gonna go from the easiest problems to the hardest, and then after I'm done with all the problems, then I'll just speed run all of LeetCode. Today we have two sum, and technically if two integers equal each other and equal the target, then you will add one, and then you just return that. Also, if you guys would like to see another language like C or C++ or even Java, just leave a comment. But yeah, okay, let's get started. So, all right, ready? I feel like it's okay. The reason I feel like it's stupid. This runs good. All right, is because why the hell would you speedrun it? Or do you guys want me to go through like how to solve it? English is not my first language, man. No, you're good. I'm not making fun of you. I'm just it's kind of funny. Um, you close the door. Okay. All right. YSL. You mean the Windows on Linux? I've never actually used it. See what the hell is going on? Please select the kernel appropriate for your CPU. What do you mean appropriate for my CPU? What are they talking about? Though, what do you guys think about that video? How should I do keyboard input on my OS kernel? Use interrupts. I'll kind of show you. What the hell is going on with this? I'm sorry, Dexter. I'll answer your question in a sec. I'm just trying to. But I don't want a 32-bit. I want like. Face the problem means actually dual ISO means that you could choose either 64 or IC61 booting, and it was true until March 2017. What the fuck? What's going on, guys? Does anybody know the problem with this? Or does everybody know what the problem is? 'Cause I don't know. Also, how do you guys is the mic quality and everything good? I tweaked it a little bit. Or I got a new the first YouTube check came in, so I bought a better a mic and a better camera. I was hoping you guys. What architecture are you using a VBox? It should just be. Wait. How would you change the architecture? Because it was working beforehand. Anybody know? How to change arc in VBox. YSL, it's pretty good and fast. I use it for coding and for Bash terminal. Haha, good technology. Yeah, I think it's pretty interesting that they put Linux on, or the Linux you know what I mean. I think that's pretty interesting. General tab on the VM settings and change type to appropriate 6480-bit. Okay, wait. Guys, I'm so out of it today. Settings, general, VM, process. Where would it be at? Version. Oh. There we go. Thank you. Hold up. And then I wanted to. There we go. There we go. Okay. I wanted to, on the live stream, I wanted to take off the thumbnail. How do I just take it off? Whatever. We'll just do it like this. Wait, what? Okay. All right. Boom. We're just gonna use Arch install because not trying to do anything. So I'm not trying to do all that today. I'm just trying to get a system going so that then we can resume building the operating system. English. Oh. Wait, what the? Description swap. No. Bootloader lime. Name Arch Linux root. Ethan root. Wait, I low-key shouldn't say my password. That's whatever. You guys can hack my VM. I don't care. All open source. Network, additional packages. Bopped, network manager. Shit, dude, I don't know. Wait, what? Why is it? It has this now? Ew. I'm not doing that. Guys. Alright, you know what? I'm just gonna do network manager. Guys, it's gonna take forever. We'll use nano too, I guess. God, this is really annoying. What what'd you say about a bug? Do you always install and reinstall? Am I missing something? Okay, so the whole thing is like uh, the whole thing that I had problem with is every time I load awesome wouldn't load for whatever reason XOR like wouldn't load. I tried to look on many forums to fix it and I couldn't fix it. So I had to reinstall it um sometimes or a lot of the time. Now we got to wait for this to now we got to wait to fix this. What do you guys okay, I kind of want to create a game after this. What do you guys think about that? Dude, there's so many packages, bro. There's so many useless packages. I just need network manager, bro. Please. God, we got all the Python ones. Don't. There's not only the Python packages, it's all the Python. Oh my gosh. Qt6 and all that. It's annoying. I can't even do page up or anything. Some funny shit. Alright, bro. Just taking forever. Guys, am I a noob? Alright, we're finally out of the Pythons. E. Are you serious? They have all the ones for Perl too. Oh, this is ridiculous. God. No, I will install. Okay. What should we It's just a bad installer now. Tell me about it, bro. Who the hell has all the packages like that and you could only scroll through it with up and down arrow? Like, are you crazy? It's just mad annoying, bro. It's just mad annoying. What happened to your little AI learning project? If I remember, you were creating some neural network in Python or something. Okay, so mainly I just needed to understand it, how it worked, um, because I'm working for this startup out in California, and they use a lot of um, neural networks to build robots. So I had to understand the technology. I'm not actually working on the neural networks. I'm just understanding how they work. I was working on um the systems on the robot, not the Why are you laughing? Why are you guys laughing? You guys want to oh my god, bro. I did not mean to open that. I did not mean to open that. All right. All right. So, what should we do while we're waiting? What should I do? Oh, guys. Okay. So, hash map for I p in enumerate. Is this stupid? I feel like it's stupid. Like maybe I should just do solving leak code problems, but I just feel like it's a bad idea. What would you guys like to see? What would you guys like to see me do? Like what like videos would you guys like to see me do and create? I'm all ears. I'm all ears. And if I like it, I'll probably post it in the next month. What are you guys thinking? Solve leak code problems? Yeah. Does leak code help you land a job? Yes and no. Um, because it really depends. Yes, it does. Because if you were to go to the interview, they're probably gonna ask you some leak code problems, or just like some simple data structure algorithms. Like you don't need leak code. You need to learn DSA, like some DSA. Um, if you're gonna go apply for a job, because a lot of the times what it is people that don't know kind of what what's going on. Oh my god, guys, today is not the day to ask questions. I'm just so like out of it. What I was trying to say is like, um, usually the stuff in the interview is not the stuff you're actually going to do in the job. They're just going to make sure like you know all that stuff. But I feel like it's stupid. And also computer science is very broad. And it's very niche. So like, if you're good at like a certain section of it, you probably won't need leak code. But all the interviews that I've done and stuff like that, they always have like some data structure algorithm. Yeah, yeah, it helps you gain experience as it diversifies and all. Yeah, yeah, he's right. Imposters are right. They want to know you know the theories, huh? Yeah. I don't know. It's all bullshit. But at some point in a programmer's career, they will have to touch data structure algorithms. So, what do you guys want to do while this is downloading? I'll I want to do like interactive stuff with y'all. Like I want to host a hackathon Do you guys think that would be fun? Like if I hosted a hackathon, what would you guys or like host mock interviews or something like that? I was trying to do it earlier, um, when I had when I had like a lot of people in the Discord. I think I had like 200 members. Shout out to you guys, but not that many people wanted to participate, so it was kind of like a What about your project game? You said any idea? I don't see. I don't know. I just like I'm in the mood to create a game. You know what I mean? Um, I was playing. I was I was playing some Super Mario Bros. Wii, and I was playing New Super Mario Bros. On DS, and it was kind of cool, and I wanted to like build a game. You know, um, maybe a horror game. A horror game would be pretty fun. I'm new to your channel. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I hope you like what I'm doing or what I got going on. I'll give you the rundown though, imposter, kind of what happened. So, it's been about a shooter game, maybe a shooter horror game. That'd be pretty cool. The whole thing with what I got going on or what I've done so far is I started with the operating system back in like October, maybe September of last year. Now those games are way too big. They don't have to be. They don't have to be. It's just a lot of 3D stuff. And if I was gonna do 3D, I'd probably use a game engine. There's like no way that I could code that from scratch and not be mentally okay. Um, yeah, and repetitive. It'd be better to just use a game engine. Okay. But yeah, maybe like a but I do want to create a game. Modern Combat 5. I've never heard of that. There's a guy out here making a game engine. Now he's rewriting it. What? What are you talking? Serious? Okay, wait. Let me remove the ISO file. I have class and all right. Now we have a fresh new Arch install. Shout out to Linus. God. And we have our awesome install. So okay. Sudo pacman. Let's install it's Neovim, Chromium, um what else? Kitty, Bopt, sudo pacman dash minus Sorry guys, it's been a long time. Alright. Yes. No, bro. No. There we go. All right. We are so back, guys. Overall, going now. Need to say goodbye, everybody. See you, Cyberchurch, and thank you for stopping by. Let me try to full screen this. How do I? There we go. Okay. Now, let me keep my phone up here so I can read chat. Oh, the lighting's kind of bad. Hold up. What language are you using to build your OS? C. It's all written in. It's written in pure C, so no, I haven't ported any libraries or anything. It's just pure C. I'll show you it right now, but first we gotta download the cross compiler. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Chromium. GCC cross compiler. Bro, I'm not a robot. What the hell is wrong with these people? Bro. Okay, that was that was not a crosswalk. Come on, bro. I didn't mean to do that. Bro, just verify it, bro. Alright, why is it so... There we go. System compiler. No, we could download these with did anybody type in chat? Oh yeah. Oh wait, this is kind of my face. Sorry guys. Do you guys like the audio? I don't know what. Okay. GNU GCC bin utils. Audio is fine. This is a new kind of setup I got going on, so. Obtaining bin utils. All right. Now I also install Git. I don't really want GDB because I mean I don't have use for it. Um, the cross compiler will kind of tell me what's wrong with it, even at like a memory error segmentation fault. I'm tired. How much time are we at? 36 minutes. I'll go for an hour today. I'll see if we could download the live chat. Let's go to top chat. No, live chat. Okay. Oh, fuck this. Let's just download it from software. With gold? What the hell is the difference? Okay. Tar dash XF. Boom. Make directory. Build. Bin. Oh, Control L. Sorry, I forgot about that. Okay. So cd build bin. Now I forgot the command. Gotta look here. And there we go. Let's see if anybody else typed in chat. Holy goon stream? Yo, chill out. How we doing today, guys? Sorry I was out for a little bit, but I'm back. I'm gonna start uploading consistently. Okay. I don't have access to my Discord anymore. So we gotta make install. I'm tired of it not being ready, so little bro didn't tag Discord. Did it get seized by the FBI? Bro, it might as well have. It booted me out and it won't let me sign back in. So I think somebody got me, bro. Somebody got me. I might have somebody at CIA try to make me, like it's not that I forgot my password, it's just it's not, like, I can't log in anymore. Um, it's cooked, bro, it's cooked. This might take a second. Reprograms every day, Arch Linux. Now we kinda just gotta wait. Do you guys want me to do anything? Yeah, they got you from the Discord backdoor. Yeah, good, bro. Does it work on PC? Okay, wait. They have a backdoor for Discord? They have a backdoor for Discord? Carlos, I'm giving you permission to add everybody in Discord. What? I know there's backdoors for Discord, but I didn't click any links or anything. Yes, Bill Gates told me. Hell yeah. Let me try logging in again. Should I just I should create a new one. Okay. Log in. Alright, does somebody have the link to it? Shoot. Let me go on my YouTube. Boom. Okay, wait, hold up. Okay, upload rules. Boom, boom. Hold on, why don't I have access to hold up. Why isn't it working? Alright, Carlos, are you a mod? Oh, I'll figure it out later. I'll figure it out later. Right now, let's just get this done. Building upcodes. There is a backdoor for almost everything, especially if you have a quantum computer. No, not. What am I talking about? Never mind. Forget that. Forget that. Forget that. There's no software that's completely safe. The PS3 is a quantum computer. Dude, how long is Ben Utils gonna take? I mean, this is kind of ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. All right, I'm gonna leave this running. I gotta go to class. Um, I love you guys. You guys are awesome, and I'm so happy to be back. But I'm gonna end stream right now, and I'll leave this running so it will install in the background. But I gotta go. I gotta go to class. So I'll catch y'all. I love every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning into the stream. And I'll see you guys in the next.